Hello everyone! Welcome back dito sa ating channel. So ngayong araw na ito, we're taking a closer look dito sa motor na Eurosport Viperman 150. Ito po si Euromotor Viperman 150 is manufactured by Mitsukoshi Motors Philippines Incorporated and also known as Euro Motors. Alam naman po natin na si Mitsukoshi Motors ay exclusive importer, assembler, and distributor ng Euro Motors, SYM, and Euro Kiwi Motors dito po sa Pilipinas. And ngayon nga, I will be sharing my thoughts dito po sa design, performance, and overall value nitong si Eurosport Viperman 150. So let's dive in. Starting with the design, itong si Euro Viperman 150 boost, sleek, and sporty look. So kung titingnan nyo po yung kanyang headlight, napakaangas para mong karap si Optimus Prime. And yung bodywork niya, it is well crafted, and yung paint finish is a top notch. Mayroon siyang touch ng carbon finish. I particularly like yung aggressive design, yung mga sharp edges niya, yung kanyang attention sa kanyang detail. Yung mga stickers na nakakabit sa kanya is napaka-minimal lang. So, para sa akin, okay na okay yung kanyang design. Under the hood, itong si Euro Viperman 150 packs a punch. So, its 150cc engine delivers 9.0 kilowatt at 9,000 revolutions per minute of power and 10 Newton meter at 7,500 revolutions per minute of torque. This results in impressive acceleration, speed, at smooth riding experience. So, ito po ay equipped ng carburetor fuel systems. Napakadali po siyang i-maintain at i-repair. In terms of cooling system, ito po ay naka-air cooled. So, fuel efficiency is also significant because it has 5.5 liter capacity of gasoline tank, and it has an impressive fuel consumption of 57 km per liter, making it a practical choice para po sa daily commuting. Napakatipid na po nito sa gasolina. On the road naman po, itong si Euro Viperman 150 is a joy to ride because the ergonomics are well thought out. The seat offers a good balance of comfort, masarap upuan, and napakaganda ng design. May mga sharp edges siya. Yung handling niya is sharp thanks to its agile chassis, making it a breeze to maneuver. Napakalight niyang dalhin through city streets and twisty roads. In terms of features naman, si Euro Viperman 150 comes equipped with digital panel. So, ayan po yung digital panel niya. Fully digital panel po yan. Speedometer, fuel gauge, odometer, clock. Andyan na po. Gear shifting. Dito po sa kanyang right handle, nandito po ang emergency stop switch. Mayroon din pong headlight switch and yung kanyang starter button. Pagdating naman po dito sa may left handlebar, andito po yung kanyang high beam at low beam switch, turn line switch, horn button. Mayroon din po itong choke at mayroon na rin po itong overtaking light switch. At dahil safety is also a priority, so ito po ay naka-disc brakes na po sa front at sa kanyang rear na gulong. So kapag uusapan natin yung wheel size niya, mayroon po ito sa front 90/80 by 17 at sa rear ay 110/80 by 17. So madali lang pong hanapan ng kapalit itong gulong nito. Madami po kayo mabibili sa market. At pagdating naman po sa kanyang front light, ito ay gumagamit pa rin po ng valve, pati na rin po yung kanyang turn light ay naka-valve pa rin po. Ganon din po sa kanyang tail light at kanyang braking light, ito po ay nakagumagamit pa rin ng valve. At kung tatanungin mo naman kung magkano ang presyo nito, abay napakamura lang po nito, classmate, dahil nagkakalaga lamang ito ng 62,900 pesos kapag binili mo ng cash dito po sa amin, pero hindi ko lang po alam sa ibang Mitsukoshi branch kung magkano po ito. At kung hulugan naman, maaari kang pumili kung 6 months hanggang 36 months ang gusto mong terms. At ito, classmate, sound check muna tayo. And to wrap up, the Euro Viperman 150 is a well-rounded motorcycle that ticks all the boxes. Yung kanyang pagiging stylish, pagiging powerful, at pagiging practical, making it suitable for a wide range of riders. So, kapag ikaw ay nagbabalak na bumili ng bagong motor, itong Euro Viperman 150 is definitely worth considering. So, thanks for watching, classmate. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motorcycle reviews and content about motorcycle. Ride safe, classmate, and I'll see you in the next video.